Away from that, the National Environment Management Authority NEMA has given the developer of Dolphin Hotel in Shanzu 7 days to remove sand that has been leveled on a public beach. The authority had earlier in the day deleted a record on its website showing that Western Hotel had applied for the extension and alteration of the Dolphin Hotel, allegedly encroaching on sea land. The record has since been reinstated. Senior managers at the authority are also reported to have been dispatched to Mombasa to aid in investigations into the matter. Dolphin Hotel, whose ownership has remained a mystery for the last 2 years, was given an approval for a proposed alteration and an extension, a project that began in 2016. The county government of Mombasa has since said that it will release a report of the investigation into why the approvals of constructing in an area that is critical to marine life was done legally. Civil society groups insist that no individual is allowed to construct along the beaches since these are public areas. 2 NTV journalists were injured and detained earlier in the week while on a mission to seek the truth in the matter.